The life of sea otters. Imagine standing on a pristine beach where gentle waves lap against the sandy shore, and warm sunlight sparkles on the water. This is the home of sea otters, one of the ocean's most adorable and intelligent creatures. Early morning, waking up and starting the day in the early morning as the sun begins to rise. Sea otters start their day. They often wake up from their special beds, large kelp beds they use to anchor themselves while sleeping, preventing them from drifting away with the current. After waking, sea otters spend a few minutes grooming their fur, ensuring it remains dry and waterproof to retain body heat. Morning hunting and eating. Sea otters are skilled hunters. They have the ability to dive deep underwater to search for food. Their favorite meals include sea urchins, clams, and crabs. Sea otters use small stones as tools to crack open the hard shells of their prey. Imagine them floating on their backs, placing their prey on their bellies, and using a stone to break open the shells. Both adorable and clever. Afternoon, resting and playing. After a hearty meal, sea otters often spend time resting and playing. They might swim, dive, or even play with each other. Sea otter pups are cared for meticulously by their mothers. Mother sea otters teach them how to hunt, use tools, and groom their fur. Evening, grooming and resting. As dusk falls, sea otters return to the kelp beds to rest. They continue grooming their fur, ensuring it remains well insulated and warm. In the cold water, sea otters wrap themselves in kelp, creating warm and safe beds for a night of sleep. Conclusion: the life of sea otters is a cycle of hunting, self-care, playing, and resting. Their intelligent and endearing behaviors not only help them survive but also capture the hearts of many nature lovers. Above all, sea otters play a crucial role in the marine ecosystem, maintaining the balance and health of the underwater environment.